Good morning, children. Welcome to SSR Academy of IIT Foundation in Mathematics. Today we are going to discuss even numbers, odd numbers. Even numbers and odd numbers. We already know that natural numbers are denoted by n, and the set of natural numbers is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. These are called the set of natural numbers. Natural numbers starts from 1. Now we are going to discuss even numbers and odd numbers. Even numbers. Even numbers. Even numbers. The definition is a natural number. A natural number which is divisible by 2 and gives a remainder 0 is called an even number. So a natural number which is divisible by 2 and gives a remainder 0 is called an even number. So from natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So in this we take the first number. First number is 1. When we divide 1 by 2, 2 zeros 0, 1 is the remainder. So it is not an even number. The second is 2. We also divide 2 by 2. 2 ones 2. So 2 minus 2 is 0. In this case 0 is the remainder. So we take 2 as an even number. And similarly 3 is the third natural number. We divide it by 2. 2 ones 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Again we get 1 as its remainder. So it is also not an even number. Next to 4. We divide 4 by 2. 2 2's 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. So in this case 4 is an even number. So even numbers are 2, 4. Next to we get 6 as an even number. 8, 10 and so on are called even numbers. These all even numbers are completely divisible by 2. That means when we divide these numbers by 2, we get 0 as its reminders. So these are called even numbers. Next we go to odd numbers. What are odd numbers means? Same definition, but the remainder is 1. Odd numbers. A natural number, odd number. A natural number which is divisible by 2 gives remainder 1 is called an odd number. So odd number, that means a natural number which is divisible by 2 gives a remainder 1 in each case is called an odd number. So this is the definition. A natural number which is divisible by 2 gives remainder 1 is called an odd number. So here now we take first natural number 1. When we divide 1 by 2, 2 zeros 0, 1 is the remainder, so 1 is called odd number. And next even number, next natural number is 2. Again we divide 2 by 2, 2 ones 2, 0 remainder, so it is not an odd number. Next 3, 2 ones 2, 1 is the remainder, so 3 is the next odd number. Similarly we divide 4, 2 2s 4, 0, so it is not an odd number. Next odd number is, next natural number is 5. We divide 5 by 2, 2 2s 4, 1 is the remainder, so it is an odd number. So now odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, and next odd number is we write as 7. When we divide 7 by 2, we get 1 as its remainder, and 9 and so on are called odd numbers. So from this we can say that a natural number which is divisible by 2 gives remainder 0 is called even number. Natural number which is divisible by 2 gives remainder 1 is called an odd number. So these are the definitions for even numbers and odd numbers. Even number is divisible by 2 gives 0 remainder. Odd number is a natural number divisible by 2 gives remainder 1. These are called even numbers and odd numbers. Next, single digit odd numbers or single digit even numbers. No, now we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are and so on are called natural numbers. Of these, the even numbers are, this is first even number. Smallest even number is 2. This is second, third, fourth, fifth, and so on. So what are even numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on are even numbers. And odd numbers are, these are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on are called odd numbers. Now we write even numbers, odd numbers separately. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. These are called even numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on are called odd numbers. So when we observe these numbers, we can say that the difference between any two consecutive means continuous numbers. So these two are consecutive numbers. These two are consecutive numbers. And 10, 12, these two are consecutive even numbers. So these two, the difference between any two consecutive even numbers is always 2. So when we subtract 2 from 4, we get 2. So the difference between any two consecutive numbers is always 2. Similarly, we can say that the difference between any two consecutive odd numbers is also 2. So 3 minus 1 is 2 and 7 minus 5 is 2. Next to 9 minus 7 is also 2. So the difference between any two consecutive even numbers is 2. Any two consecutive odd numbers is also 2. Next, single digit even numbers are single digit even numbers are dash. So single digit even numbers are, we know those as 2, 4, 6, 8. What is the next even number? Next even number is 10, which contains 2 digits. So that is 2 digit even number. So we are writing single digit even numbers only. So 2, 4, 6, 8 are single digit even numbers. Next, single digit odd numbers, single digit odd numbers are dash. Single digit odd numbers are, the single digit odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And next odd number is 11, which contains 2 digits. So 11 contains 2 digits. So that is not a single digit odd number. So single digit odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Next, some problems are like this, that is sum of 2 even numbers is dash. Sum of 2 even numbers is dash. Here the problem is sum of any 2 even numbers. So such type of problems we take any 2 even numbers. So example, we take 12 comma 18. These are the 2 even numbers. So we can take any 2 even numbers. So here we take 12 comma 8. The problem is sum of any 2 even numbers. So we add these 2 numbers, 12 plus 18, that is equal to 30. 30 is even or odd? 30 is even number. So sum of any 2 even numbers is even number. So but the answer is here 30. So we take these 2 numbers, we get 30. If the another person take another numbers, 18 comma 12, 14. So the sum of 18 comma 14 is 32. So this is also even number. So we have to write only sum of any 2 even numbers is either even number or odd number. So here sum of 2 even numbers is even numbers. Such type of problems we take any 2 even numbers. Next, product of 1 even, 1 odd. Product of 1 even comma 1 odd is dash. Here also we have to take 1 even number and 1 odd number. So we can take any even number, any odd number. So here we take even number, we take it as 10, and odd number we take it as 15. So their product is 10 into 15. The product of 15 tens, that is equal to 150. So 150 is an even number. So here also we write even number. So we don't write 150 in the place of product of 1 even and 1 odd is dash. Here we cannot write 150. Since here we take 10 comma 15, so we get 150. The other person take other 2 numbers, then he will get another answer. Suppose he take 12 comma odd number is 3. So 12 3s, 12 into 3, that is equal to 36. So this is also even number. So we have to write only the product of 1 even and 1 odd is either even number or odd number. When the problem does not have any numbers, we cannot write the number. We write only either even or odd number. Next, difference between 2 odd numbers. Difference between 2 odd numbers is dash. So here also the problem does not have any odd numbers. So we have to take any 2 odd numbers. Suppose we take 15 comma 11. These are the 2 odd numbers, and we have to find the difference between these 2 odd numbers. 15 minus 11, that is equal to 4. So here we know that 4 is even number. So this is even number. So we write here even number. When the problem does not have numbers, we cannot write numbers. When the problem gives two odd numbers, two even numbers, two one even, one odd, we have to write either even number or odd number in these type of problems. So, next, the numbers, even numbers always, we have to know that even numbers always containing 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, these are the digits which have the numbers have unit digit place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. When a number having either 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8 in its unit place, we can easily say that the number is an even number. So, this is the trick. Next, if any number containing 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, one of these numbers as its unit place, we easily say that the number is an odd number. Suppose, example number 1, 1527 is an dash. So here the number is 1527. There is no need to divide 1527 by 2 to get either 0 or 1 to say even or odd. Such type of problems, we can say easily that the number is 1527 in its the unit digit place is 7. 7 is in unit digit place. So when 7 is at unit digit place, then the number is odd number. We can easily say by observing the digit which is at unit place. Second example, example 2, 1, 3, 5, 7, 2, 1, 4, 6, 3, 2, 2, 6. So this is the biggest number. When any person asks either it is even number or odd number, then there is no need to divide this number by 2. First we observe the digit in unit place. What is the digit in unit place? 6. So 6 is the digit in unit place. When the digit 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8 in unit place of a number, it will be treated as even number. So here also 6 is the digit which is at unit place. So we say that this number is an even number. So we can identify even numbers or odd numbers easily by observing the digit which is at unit place of the number. These are the problems. Next, now these are the problems. Single digit even numbers are dash, single digit odd numbers are dash, sum of two even numbers is dash, sum of product of one even, one odd is dash, and the difference between two odd numbers is dash. And next, we can say either given number is either even number or odd number by observing the digit which is at unit place of the number. So these are the problems. Next, we go to how number of even numbers from a number to the other number when the sequence starts from 2, and a number of odd numbers when the sequence starts from 1, and the even number of even numbers from any number even number to any other odd even number, number of even numbers from any odd number to any other odd number. We can discuss these problems, such type of problems in the next session. In this session we discussed natural numbers. What are natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on called natural numbers, and even numbers. A natural number which is divisible by 2 gives a remainder 0 is called even number. Next, odd number is a natural number which is divisible by 2 gives a remainder 1 is called odd number. Next, some of the single digit even numbers, single digit odd number. What are single digit even numbers? What are single digit odd numbers? Next, the smallest single digit even number is dash. We can say it as 10. Next, single that sum of two even numbers is, we can write such type of problems only either even number or odd number. We cannot write the number when the problem doesn't have any number. So here there is no number in the problem. So only sum of two even numbers. Any two, we can take any two even numbers. Sum is add the two numbers. If it is either even or odd, if it is even number, we write even. If it is odd number, we write odd number. So these are the problems. Next, in the next session, we discussed number of even numbers from 2, number of odd numbers. This will be teach in the next session. Okay, thank you.